If you stand like this, with your hips tilted forward and lower back arched, you probably have anterior pelvic tilt. APT happens when your hip flexors get tight and your glutes get weak. It's super common in people who sit a lot, lift incorrectly, or don't stretch after workouts. Over time, it can lead to lower back pain and poor posture. First, stretch your hip flexors. Get into a half-kneeling position. Tuck your pelvis under and gently push forward. Hold for 30 seconds per side. Next, activate your glutes. Lay on your back, feet flat, and squeeze your glutes to lift your hips. Pause at the top, then lower slowly. Finally, build core stability. Lie flat, arms and legs up. Slowly lower opposite arm and leg without arching your back. Keep your spine flat the whole time. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week, and your pelvis will start to realign. Want gear to speed up recovery? Check the description.